Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo Tab M10 Plus to an Android device. Firstly, just access Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. If you see this kind of pop-up, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. And then to use Send Anywhere, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, you can click on Not Now if you wish to in Newsletter and Updates. And close this window by choosing OK. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, OK. Following that, you can choose Send over here on Lenovo tablet if it's not already on, and click on Receive next to Send on an Android. Now click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you finished, choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take a lot of time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. For example, this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now scroll down on an Android, tap on one of those options and click on Close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key, then selecting while using the upper only this time and pointing our Android's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!